insurance. So spoke to about 20 companies and their, HR heads and their leaders. In terms of when they hire people, what are the top 10 essential behaviors that they look for, right? In the recruits, in the new recruits, whether they are freshers or whether they're experienced people. And this is what came out as the top 10 skills that they're looking for. Just mentally make a note of the ones that are in red, okay? Just mentally make a note of the traits that are in red, okay? Shall I move to the next slide? Yes, please. Yeah. What happens is many times when leaders recruit youngsters from colleges, like I teach many students in Narsee Monjee, and many of my students get hired in some of the top corporations in the country. They do look for these, but does it mean that every company doing recruitment is looking for these kind of qualities by doing the right kind of assessments? No, not everybody is doing it. But that's why I said we spoke to the top 20 companies. So then what happens to the other companies where they don't look for these skills and they just go about and hire people? What's their next step? Logical next step. They spend a lot of money on training. Yeah? So that's a hard call that leaders have to take. Do you want to hire someone quickly and spend time and efforts training and retraining and reskilling the person? Or do you want to take a little more time and hire people with the right kind of skills and traits? That's a hard call. That's always a difficult decision for a leader. Who said leadership is easy? Right? Leadership is not an easy thing to do. But this is something for you to take a call as leaders. Do you want to do that? Do you want to look for the right fitment? Or is your goal just hire people and then, spend time and effort? So there's a beautiful saying, but I don't remember who said that. I think Tony Robbins said it. Okay, Tony Robbins is another inspirational person that I really follow. He said that if you think the cost of hiring a good employee is more, try hiring a wrong recruit. Try hiring a person who is the wrong fit. And see if you actually do a cost analysis over a period, if you take a period of 1 year, don't do it only for 1 or 2 hires. Take your entire hiring, ecosystem and do an analysis of how much time you're spending in taking wrong hires, trying to train them, not being able to train them, losing them, and rehiring people. The cost of doing that versus taking a little more time and hiring the right fitting people. Just do a cost analysis as leaders. You'll understand why it is important to understand whether the person has these traits